Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Welcome to my table styling on today. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in on today, and I'm trying to create something a little different today. I'm trying to do a tablescape that is designed with a gray and white marble design. So that's what I'm going to be trying to bring to you, something elegant that you can use in a party in an elegant setting. So I'm going to start off by saying welcome everyone. I thank you all so much for clicking in on this video today. I appreciate that. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this tablescape. So go ahead and grab your drink and grab your snack, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I put this tablescape together. We are going to start off by using these round placemats. And we are doing a table setting for 4, as we always do. The next item, we're gonna come in with these beautiful gray and white marble designed plates by Malacasa. You guys should check them out. I love the style and the shape of these plates. And again, they're by Malacasa. And these plates are microwave safe and oven safe as well too. And you also can put them in your dishwasher. So I want to lay them at a slant. And that's one reason why I like these, because you can turn them any way that you would like. You can slant them, or you can just place them straight like that, but we want to jazzy it up a little bit by doing a counter corner style. I do want to add some color with this gray and white marble top table styling, and I want to come in with this beautiful green. I want to come in with this beautiful green napkin here, and I just want to fold it twice, and I want to tuck it under my plate like so. And I want my point here to be on the left side. And so we're gonna go through and do all 4 plates the same. This green is so pretty. And we want our point to be on the left side. So we wanna just tuck it. And we want to make sure that they do look the same. I think this one, let's see. Let's refold this one. Okay, and when you're doing this, you're gonna have to make sure, especially if you are using these type of napkins, to make sure that they are lined up just the way that you like them, or the design you are going for, or the look that you're going for. And these are satin. The cloth, if you were to do these with the cloth napkins, they'll hold a little bit firmer. Okay, I'm going to do the left side. This is just an easy look here, you guys. And just trying to introduce something a little bit different. And to create this gray and white marble styled tablescape, I did not purchase anything. I just pulled from my stash and came up with what I wanted to create here today. Okay, so I am liking the look of these so far. I want them all pointing to the left, and that's just my preference. If you decide to do this look, you could do it to the right, straight up, or however you would like to do it. Now, this gray and white marble pattern here on this plate by Malacasa, it comes with a salad plate. So we're also going to cut a corner. Well, actually, we're gonna lay this one straight because we want our point to be shown. We want our point to be shown. So we're just gonna lay those straight. But again, if you wanna cat corner it, you can cat corner it. That is looking so pretty right there. Now, we also are going to come in with the bowls. Now, I can say the bowls, you guys, they are not that deep at all. They are not deep, but you could also use this as a salad bowl as well too, because it's not that deep. And again, this is by Malacasa. Malacasa, you can shop them via Amazon. And I'm kind of categorizing these bowls on here as well. That way you're seeing the gray and white marble pattern throughout. Let's go ahead and add this silver or gray galvanized stand in the middle of our table, because we want to give our centerpiece in this elegant tablescape, we want to give it some height. So we're going to use this galvanized stand right here, and as you can see, everything is balancing off of each other, as you can see, with the gray and white marble design with your gray or silver galvanized stand. Okay, now we're also going to come in with these beautiful silver styled candle stands, and we're going for different heights. Okay, we're going for different heights. We're also coming in with these clear candle stands as well, and these are very short. And so everything is working cohesively together. So the next addition to this gray and white marble design tablescape, I'm going to come in with these gray or silver napkins, and I'm just gonna fold them like in a square, and I'm just going to cattle corner it to the left of each place setting. Most of them are already folded, so I don't really have to fold it unless I'm trying to get a perfect fold here. Now the reason why I place those like that, because I want to come in with these little cute, look how cute these are, you guys, these little cute saucers. And I want to place it just like so. This is such a beautiful and elegant set here. And then to top it off, we want to take these beautiful mugs here. Now you can use these for drinking out of, or you could use these for like ice cream, maybe some type of dessert. So this is a multifunctional piece here, but I thought it would look perfect on top of our little saucer. So at this point in the video, I'm going to go ahead and click off. I'm going to do some finishing touches. In the next clip you will see, it will be the reveal of our elegant marble style tablescape. All right, you guys, it is reveal time. It is time to see what I have created with this gray and white marble styled elegant tablescape for you guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in. So without further ado, let's get into this table styling. So here we are at the reveal, you guys. This is how it turned out. And y'all check out this centerpiece. This was actually gifted to me by one of our YouTube content creators. This is Aria. You guys go and check her out. She has some awesome content over there on her channel. And I just love her and love her content and styling. So you guys go check her out. And this was a DIY for her that she created. So yeah, you guys, thank you, Aria. So this is the tablescape, and I added these hurricane glasses here, and I just added some green moss balls in there to balance with the green that we have in the napkin here. But I like the way it turned out, and like I said before, everything I already had. I didn't go out and purchase anything for this tablescape. This is something that I already had. I enjoyed doing this table styling for you guys, and I hope you guys like it. And I hope that you could take something away from it. And I just decided to use the gray candles just to offset with our table styling. Now, if you are interested in any of these plates or bowls in this style or in any other style, just check out Malacasa on Amazon. And like I said, all of these dishes are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. It is very heavy. It is very nice, and I love their dinnerware that they have. I have other pieces by Malacasa as well too. But you guys go over to Amazon and check them out and see what all they have to offer. And I'm sure that you're going to want to make a purchase. And with that being said, I want to thank you all again for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. I cannot do this without you guys. So yeah, thank you, you guys. We are on the road to 10K, and I want to thank you all so much for answering the poll. So once we reach 10K, we will be doing a live. So I will do a post as the scheduling of the live when it will be. And of course, I am going to be doing some giveaways because I have to show my appreciation to you guys for rocking with me and sticking it out with me. So thank you all so much. And I also want to say congratulations to Nene Eats as well too. If you all aren't familiar with Nene Eats, she has like a seafood sauce. She has different seasonings, and she has been blessed so much. God is really pushing her because she is in the process of opening up her restaurant. So if you guys are not familiar with Nene Eats or Nene Munchies, check her out. Congratulations to you, Nene. You so deserve it. Y'all, she has some awesome seafood sauce. Her seasonings are nice. So you guys just check her out so you can see everything that she has to offer. Well, all right, you guys, enough rambling for me. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in. This is Aria. Thank you so much for this beautiful DIY floral arrangement. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle.